A little bird named Bella lived in a cozy nest high in a tall oak tree. Every morning, she sang cheerful songs that filled the forest with happiness. Not far from the tree lived a playful squirrel named Sammy. Sammy loved collecting acorns and jumping from branch to branch. Although they saw each other every day, they had never spoken because they thought they were too different to be friends. One sunny morning, Bella noticed that Sammy looked worried. He had gathered many acorns for winter, but a strong wind had blown them all over the forest. Bella felt sorry for him. She flew across the trees and found acorns hidden under leaves, near bushes, and beside rocks. She called out to Sammy each time she found one. Together, they collected every acorn before sunset. Sammy thanked Bella with a big smile and said, "I couldn't have done this without you." A few days later, dark clouds covered the sky, and a heavy storm began. The wind shook Bella's nest, and it fell from the tree. Bella was scared because she had nowhere to sleep. Sammy quickly gathered soft leaves, twigs, and small branches. He worked hard to build a new nest while Bella brought tiny pieces of grass to make it warm and comfortable. By the time the rain stopped, Bella had a safe new home. From that day on, Bella and Sammy became the best of friends. They shared food, played games, and helped other animals whenever they could. The forest became a happier place because everyone learned that kindness and teamwork can bring friends together, no matter how different they are. Moral: a true friend is always ready to help, and kindness makes the strongest friendships. Deciduous tree bird chipmunk.